Hey guys, I'm David. Welcome on my generator channel. If you need a new generator, you are in the right place. So let's take a look at this one to see if it's the perfect one for you and for your needs. So let's go.
Champion Power Equipment 100,522 4375 3500 watt RV ready portable generator with wheel kit, CARB. Designed for safety, includes a low oil shutoff sensor and holds 0.6 quarts of oil, recommended 10W30. Reliable and powerful at 4375 starting watts and 3500 running watts. Enjoy up to 12 hours of run time on a full tank of gasoline with a noise level of 68 bar from 23 feet. Covered outlets, 120 V30A locking, 120 V30A RB and two 120 V20A outlets. VoltGuard built-in surge protector prevents overloads and keeps your appliances and equipment safe. INTELLIGAUGE, monitor voltage, frequency, and operating hours with ease. Champion support includes 3-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. Power source type, gas-powered.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.